Alright, what's up guys? Dapper Dan here. Pretty decent day here in Colorado. You guys can see it's kind of sunny. It's supposed to be in the 40s. Welcome to another F-150 Friday though. Today we're installing some lights on there. We got the Petco blade light, which goes underneath the tailgate. And then we got this right here, which are the 3 amber lights like the Raptors have that go in the grill right there. So that's pretty much it right there. Both should be relatively easy. They say they take about a half hour each. But we will see. There's plenty of installation videos on the internet, so I'm not going to take you guys through that. You guys can go watch it for yourself, and you guys don't need to see me struggling. And also I'm recording this on my phone, so I'm going to need my phone to watch some videos myself to help me install them. So this is pretty much just going to be a before and after video, and maybe a little bit in between if I find something interesting. But hopefully you guys enjoy it. I will definitely show you guys what they look like when they're done. This Petco blade one I've definitely been looking forward to for a while. It's probably the best tailgate light bar that you can get. So we will see you guys on the next update while we're getting them installed. Some helpful tools to have are obviously some more alcohol wipes to clean up the back where the tailgate light bar is going to go, and then also some panel removal tools which are going to help me install the amber lights on the front. Those tools actually I got on Amazon. They're like less than $5. I just needed something for free shipping, and figured I'd pick up a set. I knew I would use them eventually. Alright, we got it installed. You guys can see it back there. And we got the cable run right through here. I gotta zip tie it down in here maybe. And it turns out we gotta take out the air box, so that's what we're doing now. I got most of it out, so we'll see here in a minute. Alright you guys, we finally got it installed. As you can see, that took a lot longer than I expected. As I thought, the wiring was kind of sucked, but we finally got it in. Looks pretty good if I do say so myself. I always wanted these in the grill. And now I finally got them. And here is the light bar installed. It's a pretty clean install though. It's rigid, so it fits in there pretty well. I don't have a stand for my camera, so I'll just show you guys the brake light function. It has 5 functions. It's got turn signals left and right, hazards, brake lights, regular lights, and reverse. But since I don't have a stand, I can only show you one really. That is the just regular light when you open the door. The brake light's even brighter than that. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. It's really the brightest one that you can get. Alright you guys, that wraps up today's episode of F-150 Friday. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. And leave me a comment, let me know what you think of the lights. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Deuces.